This is Rocío Durcal singing La Gata Bajo la Lluvia. Because my father used to think that I was like an alley cat, you know, running around Miami Beach under the rain. So he used to worry about me. So I used to live and die on the beach. I realized that my allergies improved whenever I went to the beach. But you know, I went to the beach because everybody wanted to go. People like to go to South Beach, and I love South Beach. And I ended up when I finally met Jose, we ended up living on Miami Beach because that's where we met, and I always wanted to live on Miami Beach, and so that was a great opportunity. Finally I had the opportunity to live on Miami Beach. But before I met him, I used to just walk around everywhere at night, up and down dark alleys on the beach, just like an alley cat under the rain. So my father used to play this song, and he used to think about me. I think that I was, you know, I hope I was me. I never actually openly talked about him about these things, but that's the impression that I got, was that he was thinking about me because he was worried about me. I know the lyrics are not the most appropriate for a father-son relationship, but I think he realized that too late, of course. Once I met Jose, and I went up to live with him, that he had missed out on my whole life, you know, what could have been our father-son relationship. And I think he started putting himself in Jose's shoes, you know, what I felt for Jose, and what he had missed out on not sharing with me as I grew up, or you know, as I was growing up. So here is Monte Carlo on TV. Okay, and let me show you again. He's they're at the station, and there's CNN on the news. And here about 3:04, you see a guy standing, Rocío Durcal. That's like Jose. That's like Jose. He's a very handsome guy standing there on the screen. So I guess I had no choice, did I? Okay. So there it is. They're going back to the Hotel de Paris. They gave up on trying to recover the necklace. They're going to go back to the hotel to see if they can explain what happened. And now Riley's gonna show up. All of a sudden, he just shows up. He did not keep the necklace. See? So slide out. He's going to arrive on a Mercedes taxi. Okay? There, C911. C911. There he is. Cheers, mate. Okay? And now he's asking Francois about a Grimaldi suite. Oh look. No, this is a degree anti-perspirant. See, maybe he wants to use some degree if he comes here. And this is spray for the hair. His shoes are not, he doesn't have tightening his shoes. He doesn't tighten the laces because, you know, he puts them on and he takes them off all the time apparently. So he's now going up, up there's a marble column. And he's going to find a pair, a perfectly good pair, because he's environmentally conscious, so he doesn't want to throw away a perfectly good pair. You know, why waste a pair, right? So he picks up the pair that somebody threw on the tray. He's going to pick it up and he's going to keep it for later. He doesn't want to throw any food away. And I sit here sometimes, okay? See? And I can practically climb into the TV to look at his armpit. He's got two moles in here. He got one here and another one here. Two moles, I think, maybe three. I'm not sure because I tried to climb into the TV. But all I can see is two moles, okay? But I get very close here so I can see like this. Look at the pair, see? There's something wrong with the bell. The bell is like maybe not clean or something. That's Grace, the Grimaldi suite, you know. Okay, so let me sew. See. Okay, so let me sing the song. And then let me sing the song. If you like the movie, you can watch the movie, right? I love the movie. My favorite to watch Riley. I love watching Riley. Okay, so let me sing the song. This is La Gata Bajo la Lluvia by Rocío Dúrcal. Okay? Oh. Amor, tranquilo, no te voy a molestar. Mi suerte estaba echada, ya lo sé. Y sé que hay un torrente dando vueltas por tu mente, amor. Lo nuestro solo fue casualidad. La misma hora, el mismo bulevar. No temas, no hay cuidado, no te culpo del pasado. Ya no ves, ya lo ves, la vida es así. Tú te vas y yo me quedo aquí. My father left. Lloverá, ya no será tuya. Y le seré la gata bajo la lluvia. Y maullaré, miau, por ti, see? My father died. He died 22 September 1989, so it's going to be 23 years tomorrow. Amor, lo sé, no digas nada, de verdad. Si ves alguna lágrima, perdón. Yo sé que no has querido hacer llorar a un gato herido, amor. Si alguna vez nos vemos por ahí, en another lifetime, invítame a un café y hazme el amor. Maybe we're boy, girl, something, I don't know. It's my father and me. Y así ya no vuelvo a verte, ojalá que tengas suerte. Ya lo ves, la vida es así. Tú te vas. My father was the one that left. I think he went to VEGA. Lloverá y ya no seré tuya. Seré la gata, bajo la lluvia. Ya lo ves, la vida es así. He left. Tú te vas y yo me quedo aquí. Lloverá y ya no seré tuya. Seré la gata bajo la lluvia y maullaré por ti. At about 2:57 minutes, you can see the guy, same guy as in the other video with Jose Luis Rodriguez. Yeah, that's unusual. Well, I guess sometimes I repeat images from one video to another one. The guy standing there is like Jose used to be very athletic like that. So Jose died 22 September 1995. So my father 21 September 1989. So it's going to be 17 years. 23 years from my father. And maybe he went to VEGA, because VEGA is 25 light years away. VEGA. See, VEGA in the Summit Triangle, okay? VEGA. In the Summit Triangle, 25 light years from Earth. About 800,000 years to travel there. So, there's Riley again, okay? He wants to know if everything is okay, see? Hey mate, third floor, see? Third floor. Okay? So, let me stop it now so I can upload it. Okay. Later, Lucas. Okay? Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy these videos as I recount my story, witnessing to the world, and you as acting as my host. So thank you very much for being such a gracious host. Okay? Thank you. All right. Bye-bye. Let me load up the videos now so you can all watch it for tomorrow and for the 22nd. So I did 4 videos for my dad, for my father, and I'm going to do a couple of videos now for Jose. I gotta eat. So it's 11:53. So I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna stop it now, and I'm gonna eat. My stomach is growling a little bit. I'm really hungry. And Ben and Jerry just came out with a new flavor of ice cream, cannoli, not mantecado. I don't know, some people have mantecado, but it's not the real mantecado, because mantecado is illegal in the United States, because I believe the real mantecado has real vanilla extract, and real vanilla extract is illegal. So it's just like tasao, which is real horse meat from Argentina and Uruguay, is illegal in the United States. And absinthe is also illegal in the United States. At one time, Coca-Cola used to have Coke, real Coke. That's why it was called Coca-Cola, until they found out that people became hooked on it, and so they made it illegal. But I don't know that vanilla is really a drug that you can get hooked on. I'm not sure exactly why it became illegal, but apparently because of that, we have vanilla and not mantecado. And everybody says, oh, that's just vanilla. Like, it's very bland, but Riley's not vanilla, and for me, he's not vanilla. For me, he's mantecado. You hear, Riley? Lucas, you're not vanilla for me. Look at my armpit. Look, I don't have any moles on my armpit like you do. And you're not vanilla, man. You're definitely mantecado for me. Okay, Lucas, thank you very much. Alright, I hope you enjoy these videos.